Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Michelle. I have a very interesting thing to share with everybody today. So, cleaning, spring cleaning. You all know what this is. It's not a brand new toothbrush, as you can see. The brushes are really worn. It's an old one. I've got a ton of them. And I'm going to tell you what you can do with all of them or whenever. And this, you know what this is? It's a plunger. So, here's something that I just found out works really well. Sometimes when your bathtub or even your lavabo, your face basin, however you call it, that little thing that's on your countertop where you wash your face, it's stopped up, and that's because dead skin, hair that you comb over your counter, that you wash off your skin when you wash your hair in the bathroom like I do all the time. Little strands of hair go down the sinkhole and it clogs it up. So after a while, the water doesn't run out well in your bathtub or in your sink. Now, I'm sure it would be more fun to have like an actual doing, but I can't take my laptop to the bathroom to show you what I mean. So here's what I do. I use an old toothbrush. I stick it in the sink or in the bathtub hole. And I know it has some bathtubs have a little four-prong thing, but this will go through it. And just push it in, twirl it around as far as it will allow you to go. The head of the toothbrush, the narrower, the better, and the longer as well. But it does the job anyway. So you twirl it around and until you feel like all the hair and the gunk has been connected and you get a stiff feel. Then you pull it up. Oh my goodness. I saw so much gunk on that brush. But you know what? It came out. Now I did this a couple of times and I had a trusty old piece of tissue that I would wipe the brush off and get as much gunk as I could off of it, restart the process. Now once you use one brush, it's probably good for maybe one or two times at max. But like I said, if you change your toothbrush every 3 months, then you have a household of 5 people. That's enough old toothbrushes, to last to help you with your household cleaning. So first I clean the inside with all the gunk, and then I use my plunger. So I fill the bathtub a little bit till like a half of the plunger is around the water. Then I plunge it. Now, it's unbelievable, guys. The gunk comes up, the smell comes up. But once you do this a couple of times, for maybe like 2 to 3 minutes, the pressure and all the gunk and everything, if there's a lot of gunk that has not been taken up by your toothbrush, then just take it up and put it on your trusty old tissue, put it in the garbage. Then you just run some hot water after all of the cleaning you finished. And this is just like additional. You can add some baking soda or some vinegar. You just mix it up, put it in the hole, either the face basin or the bathtub. Let it sit for as long as you can. And then you wash it again with some hot water. And that sink or bathtub will be running smooth, at least for another 2 weeks. And if not, then you do the same thing all over again. And that really reduces your contact with chemicals unnecessarily. And it just makes things easier. I used to use a piece of stick that I would push down in the hole and try to clean stuff up. It became a little bit too involved. But since I found the toothbrush method, I enjoy cleaning the gunk because my fingers don't get messy and I get all the stuff out and the bathtub runs out. The water flow is so much better. So try this. And of course, with your sink, because there are no little metal pieces in the middle of your sink. Well, I don't know what your sink is like, but the toothbrush doing it is even better because now you can clean around the edges of that lavabo and clean up your act. And it's really a good help. So try it. Let me know how it goes. And As I think of anything innovative when it comes to cleaning the house, I will let you know. Have a fabulous day. Bye.